Welcome to Interlogix Today. I'm here with Richard. We're going to talk about TruVision video recorders. Richard, I've been in the industry for several years and I've noticed that there's not a lot of product categories that have more change than video recorders. What is it that causes all the change?
Well, first of all, there's been a tremendous amount of growth in IP cameras over the last decade. Second of all, the cameras themselves, the resolution has continued to increase, which requires more storage.
Okay.
And also a lot of customers just want to retain their video storage for a longer period of time.
I've noticed that there's a lot of models across the portfolio. What's the difference between each one?
Okay, well, we basically have three categories in the product family. The first version is an entry-level model up to 6 terabytes of fixed storage. It's great for small installations. The mid-range product that we have comes in 3 different flavors. It's expandable, and you can expand that up to 48 terabytes depending upon the model. And then we have the top-of-the-line unit, which is a high-performance commercial product with enterprise features that you can expand up to 96 terabyte in either RAID or non-RAID configurations.
Beyond the device-specific differences from one model to the next, what is the advantage of using TruVision video recorders?
Yeah, all TruVision video recorders integrate with the TruVision Navigator solution. So from one centralized interface, you can discover the recorders on the network, configure them, integrate them with other parts of the system, and manage them as well.
Excellent, thank you. For more information about TruVision video recorders and other commercial products, visit Interlogix.com.